my name is Savannah and I work as a DSP with Able Artswork. Today we are going to be working on another Zentangle tile. Our materials this time will be the same as our previous session. You will need a pen and a small sheet of paper. This piece started, we're going to create a drip design. Have about 3 to 4 points that drip down before closing the first section up. To start the next portion, just pick a random spot on the last drop and repeat the first step. If you do not have enough room at the end to complete the last drop, it's okay for it to randomly get cut off. Moving on, we are going to create another row of drips underneath our first. The number of rows you create will depend on the size of your paper. But the important thing to note is that the last row should not have any of the design cut off by the bottom of the page. You'll want some blank space left at the end to help your drips stand out. For the next part of our tile, we are going to focus on one section at a time. You are going to draw an outline, mirroring the lines from earlier as closely as possible. You are going to continue this until you have no more room to work. Please note that the more you progress, the less your lines will start to look like the initial one we drew. Repeat this process in each section and each row. At the end, you may go back through and darken the original lines to help them stand out even more. As always, I'm so glad you were able to join in, and I look forward to working with you next time.